Hey there guys, welcome to my unboxing video. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Gamecube controller. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, let's get it out. Alright, there's the controller. Alright, so let's get this thing out. This thing sits really nice in the hand. It's a type of a Nintendo GameCube controller. Alright, look at this controller, guys. Look at it. I got it today. There's the D-pad. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Super Water 4871. So bye everyone.